For a link to the PDF version of these instructions, check down below in the description. The 4x8 stepper raised garden bed kit requires 10 4-foot timbers bracketed with stacking brackets, 10 stacking stakes, and 6 finishing caps. For a full list of parts required, as well as cubic soil required for this design, check down below in the description. When connecting the brackets to your boards for this design, make sure that all boards are connected with brackets in an alternating orientation. On this timber we see that this bracket is in the down position, while on the other end this bracket is in the upward position. Make sure that all boards are connected with brackets in this pattern. To connect your boards and brackets, take a bracket and slide one onto either end of your board until the snap lock hole is lined up. Once you have the hole lined up, take one of your snap lock plugs and lay it flat onto that opening. Then with the palm of your hand, apply firm pressure until you hear a click. Now flip the board around and repeat this step on the other side. If you're having trouble installing the snap lock plugs by hand, you can also use a hammer or mallet to install them. If you think that you've installed your bracket in the wrong orientation and you need to remove it and flip it around, you can do so using a flathead screwdriver. Take the flathead screwdriver and insert it into the opening on either side of the snap lock plug. Insert it and apply firm pressure into the snap lock plug and then twist up. Then flip it around again and repeat this step. Firm pressure into the nub and twist up. Now you can remove your bracket and flip it around. For hard surface installation, you can use a hacksaw to cut off the part of the stake that inserts into the ground. Connect the timbers for the first level of your design with stacking stakes facing upside down. This will allow you to make adjustments to your base frame before securing those stakes into the ground. Take a 4-foot timber and check that your cross timber position is the appropriate distance to allow your second level to stack. Simply take the 4-foot timber and adjust your frame until it fits properly. Once you have the first level of your design laid out properly, flip over the stakes and hammer them into the ground. After you've secured all of your stacking stakes for the base level, you'll now stack your second level with stacking stakes. These stacking stakes will insert into the top of your ground level stakes. Once the final level of your design is laid out, the last step is to install your finishing caps on top of each of the 6 joints. After that, you'll be ready to fill it with soil and start planting. If you have any questions on this instructional video, please email us at support@frameitall.com.